Okay, we are back and we are playing with runes. So we are going to be playing with glass mode, which you deal 500% damage but have 10% health. Chests no longer spawn, monsters drop items. Items are no longer random. Characters run faster at low health, and imps invade. So Retsu pray for our lives. Okay, so we both started with 12 health, which is lovely. I am the cowboy again. So we just have to be really careful on these parts. Luckily, don't take fall damage.
You do?
What?
Yeah.
Not from that height, though.
Yeah. Ooh, grab the tip there.
I would avoid that. Okay, so there's nothing up here. Okay. Ah.
Yeah.
Okay. Is this guy going to come down? No. It's only the little ledges. Whoa. Nice charge. You're just getting used to your moves.
Yep.
Okay. Luckily, we've already got nearly double the health we started with.
Yeah, but unluckily they could probably kill us with that.
Yep. Because they deal 500% damage too.
Do they?
Yeah.
Oh.
So you get all the tanky items you can.
Yeah.
And I'll just get attack speed. Love the music in this game.
Yeah. I think the one I want to hear is the one where like you get 1 health per every kill.
Yeah.
And when that stacks, you can get it up to like 3 health per kill.
That's a bit easier to get with command, which
Yeah.
we've got on. But however, command can take up some time you don't have.
Yes. Where are the chests? Well, there's.
Well,
the
yeah,
fucking
we'll come back here.
teleporter.
What the hell was that move?
I don't know. I'm a miner. Yeah, I can do this.
That's how you mine, I guess.
Yeah, space mining.
You mine space.
Orange.
Red item.
What do you want? Oh, use.
Missiles. 500% damage.
Oh yeah, I guess.
Super useful.
Super.
Super hot.
Good game.
Yeah, that game is badass. Okay.
Made you feel like a badass.
Yeah, made me feel like I was in a Jackie Chan movie.
Or Chun Woo.
Or John Woo, yeah.
I like Chun Woo.
John Woo.
It's Jackie Chan and John Woo's son.
What about, just a sec.
You're just gonna ignore that, are you? Ah! Where are the chests? There are no chests. Enemies drop them. We
Oh,
are
yeah.
Moran.
Yeah.
We should just go to the teleporter.
Yeah, we should. What you said?
Exactly. Exactly.
I dropped an enemy on you.
I dropped that enemy on its face.
Damn straight you did. Ah.
Did that hurt?
Okay. Oh.
They changed up the artifacts, because I don't remember the enemy drop chest getting rid of chests.
Yeah, I do. I just don't think we had it on before.
We had one that elites drop chests.
Yeah, but I'm not sure where that one was now.
Activate?
Okay, yeah, activate.
Alright, who we find?
Probably Magma Worm, knowing our luck.
Yes. Fuck you!
Okay, quickly get the green item, and you get the red thing that gives you health every
What is it?
time.
That one.
Yeah, infusion. Okay,
What do you want? Attack speed?
yes. If you defend me for a moment.
Yes. What do I want? Health? No. Defense? No. It's nice that your kills work now too.
Yeah. What, do they give you
Yeah.
health?
So the next screen you're getting it.
I know, I'm going to steal all these whites.
Okay.
I think these only stack to 7 and I've got 4. So,
Okay.
I'm pretty dangerous. Okay. 5. Okay.
Okay.
Come on! What are you waiting for?
I'm over here.
Two enemies left. So right,
Cool.
but we've already unlocked. Oh wait, you unlocked an item for the miner.
Cool.
Well, I thought we'd already unlocked everything. Or is it because I like reinstalled the game?
No. I guess there's bonus items.
I know, but we already had that one. No, wait, we didn't have it already unlocked. It's just you can choose it in command. What's over here? Okay, yeah, climb this thing. Because I think this means we're on the edge of the map.
Hey.
Just sort of protect you, just in case. Though I'm probably the one that needs protecting.
Yeah. Maybe after you've gotten the last of the speed buffs.
Yeah. Luckily I have a bit of knockback as well, so that helps a ton.
Maybe you get knockback after you get the white ones. Or is knockback green?
Knockback is green?
It's the boxing glove.
Yeah. But yeah, I think if you get some items for a while... How many did I say I've got of these?
4.
No, I think I've got 5 now.
Okay.
So 2 more and then, like, it's your turn to shine. Yeah. Don't worry, he's dead. See,
Might
the
drop
music goes a
something.
bit odd.
Yeah, it does.
I am the damage.
The problem with that is they might drop items and we don't know.
Oh. You are correct, sir. Let's, have a wee wheedle. Nah, nothing.
Okay.
Okay. What the shit?
Rule of cool.
Okay. What am I looking for? Teleporter.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like, chests? No. I have to
There
get
are
used
no
to that.
chests.
I just feel like a badass cowboy at the moment. I'll hold this ground until you can make it up here, boy.
Where's he gone?
Okay, I saw no items down there, so it's all cool. There's the teleporter.
Yay.
Was there anything down here?
No? Why would there be?
There sometimes is. Oh,
Enemies.
except for that. Oh, shit.
Orange?
Yeah. So you can get a use item.
What are these? What's that?
What type would you want?
Helpful.
Either
What's this
the
crystal?
gold bomb, or the missile pods, or the mines, or the Soarang, or
Let's
the
get this
snow globe, because that freezes all enemies.
What we got here?
I need one of my last fire rate things.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah, one more to go, and then it's your item rain.
Right, we didn't activate the thingy, so let's go do that.
Yeah. Yeah. I love how bouncy the enemies are. Speed boost. Footloose.
Yeah, there's another one. Last one.
Last one.
What other items can you get in the white ones?
So many other things. We'll have to see next time one drops. Hey, green.
So that means I can get another infusion.
Yeah. Cool. I think you get 1.5
Yeah.
now. Yeah.
Yeah, another
Use item.
Flying sex snakes.
I wish it was red instead of orange.
Probably
Come
get it
on,
from the boss.
Colossus.
Right, well,
God damn.
Did it.
Make that your last infusion.
Yeah.
Because 2 health per kill is insane.
Shit
Oh,
him.
imps!
Imp Vanguard.
Okay.
What are you gonna get? Same?
Um,
Just get Tamer.
I should have.
Then get it on the next one.
Yeah.
And I'll get Leeching Seed after as well.
The ability to heal for every kill is pretty amazing. Yeah, if you get Leeching Seed now...
No, how about you get Infusion now, so you don't die? Hi, Val! Oh yeah, I have that as well.
Yeah. Boy.
Fusion. You just got Leeching Seed.
I'm dead. I thought you were protecting me.
I'm on the ladder.
Oh, I didn't know. I guess kill everything, because otherwise we can't get through. We lost the green item as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not up there anymore.
That froze, that was weird.
I believe in you. You can deal with them.
Yeah.
You got a shit ton of health.
Problem is
Hey.
I keep forgetting I can damage them.
Use your thing. What do you mean you forget you can damage them?
Because the miner has really short range.
Yeah. Just like punch everything in the face.
Pretty much. That's definitely not your fault. Whoa!
Don't worry, you're cool.
Well, he's a little fast bugger.
And there's some white items for you. And a green. Okay.
One enemy left. Oh yeah, there he is. Can see him.
Okay, now you can get your items.
Alright, I probably want that one.
Oh, no, get the red purse.
That's money, isn't it?
Oh yeah, we don't need money. Yeah, get the red leech seed.
Yep.
Yeah.
Or missile pack.
I would say leech seed for the moment.
Yeah.
Just see survivability so we can actually finish one of these runs.
Right. What we got? We got bleed, cube of meat.
I would say for one, get that firework.
Yeah.
Yeah. 'Cause that means whenever you open something, you get
Open
missiles.
a chest. Launches fireworks. Okay.
Yeah.
That's health, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, we don't.
Oh, you can get that aura. The
Sure.
barbed wire.
Yeah, that one's pretty good.
Because if you get loads of that, then it's insane.
Massive. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Now you can finish. Now you won't have to worry about killing enemies.
Yes.
Though it doesn't work on ropes.
What?
The aura doesn't work on ropes.
What ropes?
The things you climb.
Oh, why would it work on ropes?
If they get close enough to you. Like if there's a jellyfish swimming up to you.
Oh, while you're on ropes.
Yeah.
I was like, why would it affect ropes?
Whee!
Did you? No, you didn't get infusion. You died. Oh.
No. No, you still need to get it.
Another user.
I always get excited. I think it's red. No.
Fireworks. You should have let me use it. Fireworks.
What do you mean? Oh yeah. Damn it. Okay.
I guess
Anything
we're just
over here?
going for the teleporter.
Yep. Please be over here. After this massive ass run. Nope.
White. Do you want it? Get some health.
Maybe. I probably need it.
Yeah. Yeah. Grab it. Grab some health.
I forgot what it was. Ah! Ah!
I nearly grabbed that. Get some more on the next one.
Maybe. Oh shit.
There you go. Ooh. They landed on my head.
I guess let's go this way. Wait, no. We go the other way because you can't get back from this way. I think. Or is it falling off the ledge there? I think it might be.
I guess so. Nathan.
Damn shame. Damn shame.
Rexavage.
Okay.
These guys have items.
Yeah. They were adventurers like you.
That feels new.
No, they've always had them. There's a rune
There's
there.
a teleport.
Yeah, they're cool.
Get off that.
Please no magma worm. It doesn't make sense.
Wandering Vagrant, which
Shit.
also doesn't make much sense.
2 of them!
I did the same. And a green one. Get your infusion, boy.
Yeah, I
I'll
will.
protect you. It's right below you. Get it.
Okay. And now you can get those whites.
What do I want? Barbed wire.
Barbed wire and maybe a goat tooth. So you can get up to the enemies.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, there's a load up here. I'll finish them off.
One fell down to me.
Cool. Another orange, a white.
No reds.
Soon.
Fall into my death beams. There's one behind you.
Yeah, I know.
You get infusions though. That's helpful.
Oh, green.
Nice.
Ah! If you get that one.
Oh, nice. I can do the same. Grab your goat hoof. Your heal out.
No, I just picked out of panic. You get it.
Okay. You get the green. Get something you want. Knockback. The glass.
I already have a bit of knockback.
It'll increase it though, won't it?
Yeah. Problem is, like, enemies keep spawning up here. I'll try it. Hopefully it works. What's good here?
Sticky bombs, evasion. Goat's hoof.
Uh,
Bleed.
Nah. Chance to do double damage. If you... And...
The same. Crowbar.
Yeah, crowbar. Yeah, and you get that one.
I'll get goat again.
We're just going to be super speedy.
Yeah.
That would work pretty well. Okay, so they're over here.
They are no longer over there. See if
Did they
have
drop
items.
anything? Oh, one thing. One more thing. You get that.
What is it?
Chance to snare. I'd like to get down now. Mrs.
Stop.
Hoover. I'd like to get down now. End of level, end of episode. See you next time.
Bye bye.